Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to enable or disable bracket pair colorization inside your VS Code. So by default it is built in inside VS Code. You just need to install this extension, which is pair colorization toggler. So if you just type this on the go to extensions, just type here bracket pair colorization toggler, and this extension will come. There is quite a number of extensions which are there, but I personally tried this extension. It works. Definitely install this extension. It's got almost 1 million installs. After installing it, you basically go to the source code, whichever source code you want to highlight. So as you can see, already enabled the toggling here. So it basically each bracket has different colors right here that you can see. This is called as bracket pair colorizer. So if you now want to enable it, there is a setting that you need to do. Just go to your user setting file, Control Shift P to open command palette, and just type here user settings JSON file here. So just open this file here and just search for this setting, which is bracket pair colorization. So this is the setting which will come right here, editor dot bracket pair colorization dot enabled. So by default it will be false. If you change it to false here, now bracket colorization is disabled. So if you don't want the bracket colorization, sometimes in some cases you don't want it, so in this easy way you can easily disable it by going to the settings file. Just search for this setting here, which is bracket pair colorization dot enabled, and simply disable this by changing this from true to false. So now this will be disabled, and now you will see there will be no colors inside different brackets. But personally I will recommend this setting to be turned on here. So just change from true to false to true, so that now it is enabled once again. So now you will see each bracket has different colors, so you can easily see which bracket is which. You can see that, so clearly highlight the opening and closing of brackets, so bracket pair colorization. So in this easy way you can toggle this setting inside VS Code. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.